Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and guess what? EUNORAU is launching another bicycle. It's called the D6. It's unlike anything they've done before, but you better hurry because the campaign has only a little over a week. So this new bike called the D6 is a really good looking bike. You would actually hardly know that it's electric at all since it hides incredibly well with the battery inside the down tube. This is a 36 volt 10 amp hour battery, and it's all right in here. I'm guessing it would see about 20 miles of range using pedal assist, maybe actually a little bit more, but what a nice pedal assist it is, because the D6 is rocking a smooth mid-drive motor. The torque sensor makes for smooth acceleration, and that, I'm anticipating, is going to be incredible. Putting some leg power into the bike is a Shimano Altus derailleur and a 9-speed gear set. I really like the option because it's quite common to see a single speed for these kind of bikes, and honestly single speeds really aren't my favorite. Especially with such a great pedal assist, I think that having the gear options will be a major win for EUNORAU. Up front, the bike is equipped with a set of flat bars and a flat top tube. Along with this is a set of really high 700C tires. This means that really only the young or the limber will be able to ride it, but I'm sure you kind of expected that just looking at the bike. The handlebars can be upgraded to a set of dropper bars in case you really want to put some skin into the game. Likewise, you can upgrade to an 11-speed gear set, and by golly, I wish there was a battery upgrade, but just won't fit, I presume. As far as I can tell, the brakes just stay mechanical disc, which is actually fine for this bike because it's coming in at 39 pounds. The D6 comes in a few colors, and it's a welcome refreshment for the rest of the e-bike world, which is usually just black and white. For the D6, you can get gray, pink, orange, or, of course, just black. From the looks of it, this bike is a real head-turner, and it's a great package of components in a sleek, lightweight, beautiful frame. The EUNROAU D6 isn't alone in this space. There's the Ride 1-Up Roadster, the KBO Hurricane, the Aventon Solterra, and that's just to name a few. The flag runner for this kind of bike was actually the FLX Babymaker. It hit the market at the right combination of time when COVID struck, and also people got a bunch of supplementary money from the government. One of the big differences for EUNORAU is that it has a better performing mid-drive motor. So far it looks like a really good bike, but I really have just two qualms with it. Number one is that after the crowdfunding phase is over, will the price dramatically shoot up? I can't really say for sure because I don't know. A few $100 isn't really a big deal, but if this bike price just leaps up dramatically, then the electric system could justify part of that, but it would still be kind of disappointing. My second qualm is actually with the marketing campaign for this bike. The D6 appears to be a really great bike. I think it could stand on its own merit. I can tell you that if my company put out a hyper-sexualized bike advertisement, I would be horribly embarrassed. So what do you think of the EUNORAU D6? Let me know in the comment section below. You can also find a link to their site in the description. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on the later.